Let's get the tunes going. The tunes, lads.
Hey, hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. I Williams, little X. If you don't say it direct, give a fuck. Yo, I put some ice on her hand. I let her take in advance. She wasn't going to plan. I put a shit in the pan. She gotta move with a friend. First she went back to the man. Give a fuck.
What's happening, YouTube? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
When I shoot my shot, it's the whole wild way it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tens. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion, not in Turkey, it's a beachfront. When she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tinted by the pool, and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep it pockets greased up. Me and Capo trying to leave our market piece of east up. Ain't nobody making too much money off the beach stuff. I be for rap because I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death.
Alright.
Don't say it direct, give a fuck.
Yes, gift. I know. It's a big one today. Huge one today. We've got the inflation data. It's due to get busy. Who else we got in the live stream right now? How you guys doing? Today is a good day for some trades, man. Today is a good day for some trades. We've got 15 minutes. We've got 15 minutes till the news release. Yes, Ned, how you doing, my bro? Alright, so in terms of today's going to be interesting either way, right? And what do I mean by that? Essentially, gold's in a very interesting area. Alright, I'll come back to gold in a second. GU's in an interesting area. The dollar's also in an interesting area. So essentially, there's a lot that could happen this stream. Yeah. So let's just mark our areas of liquidity first, and then we can work on the rest. So yesterday I gave you guys this setup on stream, looking for a pullback down to this area here. We didn't quite get there, but eventually the highs, okay, did get taken, which was sometime this morning. Okay. Now this area, guys, this area doesn't mean it's not valid or is not significant just because price missed it. Okay, so my first reaction is going to look at this low. Now from the price action that I can see so far, I'm anticipating the dollar getting weak. Why? What have we done? We've already taken out these highs. Okay, we've taken out the weekly highs. Okay, so now if this weekly candle is going to continue pushing higher, I want to see a pullback. Okay, I want to see a little bit of a pullback before we continue. Okay, so let's see how the dollar wants to print today, and then we'll be able to catch some moves off of this for sure. But I really do like this low, right? This is Tokyo's low as well. So in terms of liquidity, like this area is pretty good. You know, it's ideal, right? If we can get CPI come out, we get a nice wick, very aggressive move to the downside. We play out of those two 1 hour candles, and then we potentially continue higher. That's what is, you know, the most ideal. That's what I'm anticipating for now. Okay, but we'll see how the rest of the move plays out. Like, to be honest, even when we look on the higher time frame, it's like, yeah, you know, we can we can definitely just keep heading higher for sure, but you know, there's other things that and other factors that we need to take into account. Next up is gold. So the reason why I say gold is in an interesting area, okay, if we go to the weekly, again, I'm going to remind you guys of the higher time frame picture. And as I said to you guys all the time, you know, these higher time frame pictures, you need to pay attention to them because it can help with all the noise you're going to see on the lower time frame. Now, if we're anticipating you know, potential dollar weakness to then dollar strength, then we should see gold potentially rally for I think it's 2 weeks ago. Okay, so we're rally target for 25th of November's weekly high. Okay, that's the potential that we're looking at the moment. Okay, so I'm gonna mark that out for you guys there. Right, that's gonna be our new nearest area of liquidity. Okay, so for example, if we're able to find a buy somewhere, right, that would be one of the targets that would go for. Now, what else is sitting inside of here? Right, we've got this daily imbalance. Now, inside of this daily imbalance is also where we tested previously and we dropped from. So I'm also going to set an alert just before the imbalance as well, so that we can use that as another potential target or entry. Okay, when we go down to the 4-hour time frame, okay, and we look at current price action, it's not really giving us much in terms of, you know, entries or exits. There is a 4-hour imbalance for sure, right? But instead of me focusing on the imbalance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the low, right, and the high of the day. Okay, this is the range that I'm going to work with for this CPI. I'm going to focus on the high of the day and the low of the day. Again, I'm going to turn on this Lux Algo sessions. You can see very clearly we have Tokyo highs still intact. Okay, we have Tokyo lows still intact. So these two areas are going to be a very, very key area of liquidity that we can actually identify for some potential setups. Okay, so I think the framework is there for us to actually have, you know, a bit of a decent afternoon. You know, we do have the framework. Ned says in the chat box, all good, my bro. Good to hear. Gift says, I just hope gold behaves, not moves same direction as DXY. I mean, we'll see, bro. We'll see. You know, when it comes to high impact news, it's about where the liquidity is. Okay, so if we identify where the liquidity is, all we need to do is wait for either the upside or the downside to get swept, and then we understand where is price most likely to head to next. That's all I do for, you know, high impact news. On my YouTube channel, I did post how to trade news effectively. I don't know if you guys watched that video, but in that video I explained to you how to navigate these high volume markets. Okay, so when price is, you know, doing too much, essentially. Okay, how's the music in the background? Is it too loud or is it okay? I can turn it down a little bit. I want you guys to hear me clearly today. Okay, so when you're trading news, you need your POIs, you need your areas of liquidity. You want to see price rush to that area first, and then we can look for a reaction. Okay, like look, for example, when gold pushed up here and we took out these highs, we had a reaction, right? There was liquidity resting above these highs. We punched above it and we turned around. Okay, where did this original push from gold come from? The push from gold originated from this sweep. What did we sweep? We swept Thursday's low, Monday's low. We also swept 28th of November's Thursday low. And from the liquidity resting at these lows, we then reversed and we started rallying to the upside. Okay, if we go to the hourly time frame, you're going to see a little bit more aggressive. Okay, look, we're coming down, slight pullback, flash. Okay, now this low here, notice how this low did not take out here, did not take out here, did not take out here. Waited for Tokyo, we flashed down, and then we instantly reversed in the opposite direction. And then from that point on, even though we had a little bit of a range, we started turning bullish, and now we're here. Okay, so those are going to be our targets for now. Let's take a look at that. Cryptos are bouncing back. Bitcoin has done a little bit of a recovery. I gave you guys this setup inside of the Telegram. Obviously, if you are watching this video now and you're not inside of my free Telegram, link to the free Telegrams in the description box down below. If you enjoy this type of content, more of this content is provided for free inside of that Telegram there. So I gave you guys this setup on Telegram. We had a very nice move to the downside. The lowest point we came was about a 125R or 1 to 1.5R for around, you know, 369 pips. Now, looking at this, do I think Bitcoin might drop some more? It's a difficult one to say, because yes and no. The reaction that we had yesterday, if it continued and we took out this Wix low, perfect. But because price is kind of sitting in and around here, I'm anticipating Bitcoin might head up a little bit higher, maybe touch 100k one more time, and then we can see if it wants to short sell. But for the time being, because Bitcoin has recovered, that means most of the market has also recovered. ETH has recovered a little bit. XRP has also recovered a little bit. Solana has recovered a little bit. Stellar, Doge, Cardano, you name it. They've all had a little bit of a bounce back due to Bitcoin having a little bit of a bounce back. So that's going to be the play for Bitcoin. We'll leave it for now and we'll focus on this CPI news that is coming out shortly. Okay, next up is GBP USD. So GU is very interesting, right? Because on the daily time frame, we've played into that daily imbalance there. Okay. And the thing that we're getting at the moment, or the reaction that we're getting at the moment, is a spike up higher, and now we're printing lower prices. At the start of the week, I did give you guys this setup out, this hourly candle. I didn't want to see price break through it. It's the exact same setup as this one here on the dollar, okay? But it's flipped. So the good thing is, even though on Monday it did look like we were going to take out the high, we haven't taken out the high. So there's a good chance that we actually will get some more bearish price action on GBP USD, okay? Now, we've got Tokyo session. Pretty much across the board, we're going to focus on the exact same range. Okay. We're going to focus on Tokyo's high, Tokyo's low. Yeah. So Tokyo's high for GU is still intact. So we need to see if this actually wants to rally higher or we're going to get a move lower. But again, everything hinges on exactly what the dollar is going to do. But I really do like the dollar to take out this low here, like personally. You know, if I had to kind of, again, there's no real way you can accurately predict the news, but from what I'm seeing here and the way that we've already grabbed these highs here, I don't see why we shouldn't drop lower come CPI, unless if the CPI data is, you know, incredible, it's amazing. Let's take a look at it. So today, we've got the Bank of Canada's interest rate decision. So if you are trading like USD CAD or GBP CAD, you know, bear that in mind. We've got core CPI today. So the forecasted is 0.3%. Okay. The previous data is 0.3%. So essentially, the consensus data is telling us that we are expecting inflation to remain the same. Now, again, the whole point of inflation is to bring it down as much as possible. Now, you've got to ask yourself, is it a good thing if inflation remains the same? In my opinion, no. Okay. You want to bring that inflation number down. The Fed's target for inflation was, I think it was 0.2%, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on, guys. Let me just double check. Yeah, I think their target for inflation is 0.2%. So realistically, if this data does come out, you know, lower than the forecasted, then we should see a strong dollar. If it comes up higher or remains the same, then I'm going to anticipate us actually getting a weaker dollar. Who's messaging me? So we got 3 minutes. Okay, so that's going to be my take on the CPI data. So we got 8 people in this live stream right now. Do me a massive favor and go down below and hit that like button right now. Okay, the target is 10 likes on every single live stream, so guys, go down below and like up the live. We've got Jason in the chat, right? Come have a conversation with me, guys. Big up all my profitable trading peeps in the live right now, and the maestro himself letting us know what is what. Nah, bro, you're flattering me, Jason, man. But big up, big up, big up, big up. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's a big one, man. We want to see price really make a move today. So let me just post this setup inside of the Telegram. Again, guys, if you're not, inside of the Telegram, my free Telegram, link to the free Telegrams is in the description box down below. Just click on the link and you can join for free. I update the Telegram on a daily basis and you can see what setups I'm looking at the moment. We had a great setup on BTC, and right now I'm going to update the community on this gold/DXY setup. Okay. So we're there now. If you're watching the live stream right now, drop a like on the live right now. If you're enjoying the content, what are you guys looking at the moment? Are you guys trading gold at the moment? Are you sitting on your hands? Talk to me. What are you guys looking at the moment? Everyone that's on the live right now, let's have a conversation. Let's go in the chat box. Are you looking at GU? Are you looking at Euro USD? Are you looking at the dollar, etc., etc.? I'm gonna get the split screen going on, and we're gonna lock in for a second. Okay, news is out. Dollar is dropping lower at the moment. Let's see, let's see, let's see. So the inflation data. Okay, so Jason's in a gold short. Okay, okay, okay. So the consensus data was right. The inflation data, or CPI, did come out at 0.3% for November. The year-on-year data is at 2.7. So it's pretty much remained the same, guys. It's just remained the same. So let's see if the market is going to have a positive or negative reaction off of the inflation data. Right now, we're not really seeing markets really react too tough, right? Gold's not really reacting. GU's had a bit of a spike to the upside. Okay. EU's also had a spike to the upside. Okay, let's take a closer look at the dollar and see what the dollar's done so far. So right now, we've just taken out this low here. Okay. So let's see. Again, I do want the dollar to actually drop a lot lower. So let's see how it does. For gold, it is stuck in a little bit of a range here. Right, we're currently bouncing off of this 5-minute candle side of here. So let's see. Okay, so Jason says in a short on gold in at 26.95, SO at 2700. Okay, I see your setup that you're going for. Let's see, let's see. So the dollar is turning around at the moment from taking out that most recent low. Okay, I see. So the dollar is currently pushing up with a lot of volume. Gold is not reacting at all, at least for the time being. Bitcoin pushing up. That's interesting. Gold is also pushing up. Okay. The job's not finished, boys. We're getting a pretty nice push up on gold at the moment. Jason says gold steady golden. Kicked out. You know the vibes, man. You know how gold gets. Don't worry, bro. You get them. I'm trying to see if the CPI push down, push up. Which side's a fake out? Are we going to head lower? Because remember, when the news comes out, we have the initial reaction, right? Then we need to have the consensus, right? The overall market sentiment. So right now, right, if gold does rush for the highs, then this is a potential setup that we can look at.
But you're so territorial. I can't even kick it cause you watching my story though. I got what you seen and I got something you don't need to know. I done gave more dick than a little. I know I'm the reason that you're freaking out. You wish you could be the reason that I settled down. You done gave me all I wanted but I still got reasons I should fuck around.
The real question is, I think my stop might be a little bit too small, you know. I like the 1 hour the 1 minute candle or the 1 minute picture on DXY at the moment. I don't think we're gonna get a pullback low enough. But let's see. This is the setup I'm currently looking at, guys. If we can get a test. I don't think we're gonna get a pullback on this, boys.
Maybe I'm just fucked up.
Yeah, we're not gonna get a pullback on that. Annoying. Okay. Okay. The thing is, this is not something that's completely out of range just yet. $27.10. Okay, so it does look like we will head lower. Because look, here's the thing, right? Even though the dollar has pushed down, there's still a potential test that we can get. One, at this 1 minute candle, and two, we can get a pullback into these imbalances here, right? The 1 hour picture right now looks very heavy for dollar, so it's difficult to say it definitely will come back. We might have to go in with a slightly bigger stop, you know, boys. Because I do see this pulling back. So Jason's talking about a 5 minute imbalance. Because right now gold, well, the DXY is pulling up a little bit. Do you know what I'm going to do, in fact? What is 120 pips? I'm going to give this a slightly bigger stop. In fact, I'm just going to give it 40 pips. Yeah. Just gonna give it a little bit more breathing room. Let's go in for that. Let's see how that does. Okay, so right now we're working inside of this 1 minute imbalance here for the dollar. Right, so we want to see this continue dropping and gold react to the upside. But we have to be kind of chilled with this one, because we can go both ways. Let's see how this does, boys and girls. Okay, good push up. Let's see. Okay, we're getting a nice turnaround there on the 1 minute on the DXY. It's quite a good push. Okay, DXY is dropping. Okay, I believe we are on side, boys. I think we're on side. DXY is completely melting right now. Gold is not doing anything. Typical. Just absolutely typical from gold. But I guarantee you, as soon as the next 1 minute candle opens and it just pushes up a little bit, gold just starts dumping off. If gold doesn't push, then gold's very weak right now. But 5-minute picture looks okay. Hourly candle, it's not really saying much, but it looks okay. Look, the dollar is completely dropping off. Gold is not reacting at all. Interesting. Gold, don't be annoying, man. Gold should at least be at Tokyo's high. Gold should at least be around 27.4 right now. Like, if we're looking at the reaction on the 1 minute and here, gold should be up here. Gold should at least be taking out Tokyo's high right now. Because I know a pullback is coming for the dollar. Okay, dollar's pushing up now. Gold wants to push up. Interesting. Gold waiting for us to make a move, lol. Trust me. I mean, I'm already in this move though for gold. And just update. Ooh, that's a big wick. Boys, the dollar is absolutely tanking. Dollar is completely tanking. Dollar is still going. This is not right, man. Gold is not reacting at all. Gold, you should be up here immediately. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Did we hit TP1? Yeah. Bear with me, guys. 2698. I'm just going break even on this. What's the high of this move? This is annoying. Gold's just it's deciding to not move at all whatsoever. Gold is golden as usual. That's the saying of the day. Because even looking at EU, we can get a real nasty pullback anytime soon. GU's heading towards that Tokyo high. Dollar's heading to that Tokyo low. Come on, gold, man. Come on, gold, man. It's almost as if as soon as we get a push up on the dollar, we get a push up on gold. That's interesting. Okay, so let's take a look at this. 40 pips covers this 5-minute candles imbalance. Cool. But it doesn't cover us down to this 5-minute candle down here. Because I do still see this pushing up higher. But right now, price is being held. Gold genuinely doesn't care about what the DXY wants to do. It's true. I can't believe it. The dollar's completely melted and gold just not even batted an eyelid. Like, no reaction whatsoever.
I'm a rolling stone. I'm too high for you to own. In a whip that's meant to speed. If I hurt you, would you leave? I learned the game from some heavyweights.
Okay.
Buses making change from another plate.
Okay.
Still got demons from my younger days. I wish I could say
Okay.
but they follow me. I wish I could take it easy.
Go on, gold.
That's my mama, I've been hustling since the sandbox. I'm a rolling stone. I'm sorry in advance if I let you.
See, look, the DXY is pushing up. Now gold wants to push up.
I'm sorry in advance if I let you.
I'm trying to stack some entries on this so that we hit here. That's my play for this. Might have to just hold a little bit of drawdown, but should be alright. What's the high of this? 702.
Blame that on my mother. I can't go nowhere that's less than me. That's why lovers, I'm trouble. First I'm exciting, then I'm gaslighting. Make up your mind. I'm rich as fucking, I ain't nothing at the same time.
So we just hit TP2 on that one.
People hate me and they love me at the same time. I guess I'm everything and nothing at the same time. I'm sorry in advance if I let you down.
Okay, so we're looking like we might test this imbalance again. But I'm looking at the seconds time frame. The dollar's having a real healthy pullback. But gold is holding up higher.
Fuck your mind up.
I genuinely can't believe gold today. That's insane. We're getting such a healthy pullback on the dollar. Let's see if the dollar can kind of drop where it is now. Let's see, let's see, let's see.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, it's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself.
Okay, we're getting a push up now. It's a slow burner, but we are getting up there.
Girl, you wouldn't have to worry about a damn thing. If I was up in it, shit, I bet a pound that I put it down.
Alright, let's see.
And I hate talking about my stroke thing.
Oops.
But girl, I'm giving you the whole thing. I could put like 25 on your finger, 5 for your shade, so you can't see these other niggas. They won't call you again.
Alright, I think we're fine, boys. I think we're generally fine. I think it's just a slow burner. I think we'll get there eventually. You know what I mean? Like, the main target is going to be 2704, which is the Tokyo high. Right? That's going to be the main target, but I think it's just going to be a slow burner until we get there. Yes, Ritesh, how you doing, bro? You good? Okay, so we got 4 minutes. That's a bit annoying. We got 4 minutes to the new hourly candle. And hopefully, when the hourly candle comes in, it just gives us that whoosh. But as you guys know, we need to anticipate the low of the hour and the high of the hour. So I really want to see this for the last few minutes. Really, really go for it. Like, we need to see this go for it. If not, I might just kill one of my stacked entries. We got 2 minutes 30 seconds. You're getting a slight turnaround on EU, sorry. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm good, my bro. Thank you for asking, Ritesh. Because it's like, even if the new hourly candle does open, at least on the 1 minute time frame, there's not a lot that it needs to do down here. We spent such a long time down here. We really need to rush for these highs. Wow, gold has really been held today, guys. Gold is really being held today. This is the live manipulation of gold price right now. We got 1 minute left. Got 1 minute left. Because I don't think gold has any reason to even push beneath this 5 minute candle here. Like, I understand on the hourly time frame, you know, there's no candles here, so it may print lower, but I just see a bullish candle. 15-minute time frame candle. It's not looking the best. We could drop again. But anyways, new hours here. 3, 2, 1. Come on, gold. Rush to that high. Like, I don't want to sit here and wait for NYSE. Like, that's just all types of long I don't want to be involved in. So if you're going to make a move, just make your move now, and then give us the manipulation come NYSE. But the way price is being held, real heavy. You know, can we see 2704? Come on. And then potentially 2710. Is that 2710? This is crazy. Gold's really not trying to move. Come on, gold. Get up there. I know you want to get up there, gold, man. Just get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there, gold, man. Get up there, gold. Get up there. I've seen some memes where you enter a position and then you just start praying. So guys, let's start praying. Come on, gold. Get up there. Get up there. 2704. Let's go. 2704, gold. Let's go. Go on, gold. Come on. We need to see gold do its characteristic blips. Blips, blips, blip. Come on, gold. Blip. Blip up there. Go on, gold. Blip. Blip, gold. Go on. Go on, gold. I know where you want to go, gold. I know you want to go up there. I know you want to go up there. Okay, so on the 30-second, we could get a little bit of a pullback.
Like you somebody that you're not, but I know, and he don't. And maybe I should leave your ass alone. But guess what? Life ain't fair.
Come on, gold. Blip up there, man.
If I fuck up your happy home, say you wanna be close.
Blip up there, gold. Nice. Tokyo high. There we go. Let me take some of this off. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Cool.
You acting like you somebody that you're not, but I know, and he don't. And maybe I should leave your ass alone. But guess what? Life ain't fair, and I don't care if I fuck up your happy home. Say you wanna be close, close.
All right. So we're taking something out of gold. We've just hit, what is this? 27.04. So that should be TP3. Oh no, TP3 is 27.05, so it's up here. Just put that there. The way gold is being manipulated right now, ladies and gents. Today is definitely just a slow burner for gold. We've got a slow burner today, boys. Okay, so the dollar's new hourly candle is pushing up. Gold keeps testing me, man. It's literally taking out all my stacks. Right, entered here, went up, came back, took me out, entered here again, off of this pullback here, pushed up, it's now taking me out again. This is annoying. And I'm low-key probably gonna enter another entry again. You have patience with gold. I really don't, but you know, I know there's a blip coming for gold. You know, there's that fast, sharp move, just whoosh. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that's what me personally, I'm playing on. That's what I'm personally playing on.
The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter. Get plenty things count in life, but none of them is a thought of it.
There goes gold, man.
His chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medal.
There goes gold.
Just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I played it back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second, fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out.
You know, right now, gold is just being held. It's just that simple. The price of gold is being held right now. And even if we look at it from our overall targets at the start of the stream, yeah, which was the Tokyo highs, technically we did, you know, hit that Tokyo high right there. It's just that new hourly candle. This is going to take us out. It's a big move down. Gold is not playing ball right now. I don't think gold is done. I don't think gold is done, boys and girls. You know, we're getting a little bit of a flash crash on the 1 minute time frame, but should see a rebound. See what EU's doing. It's dropping. Okay. Ritter said I had good setups for gold, but being impatient cost me a lot of profit. Yeah, sometimes you might need to sit on your hands, you know, or come back at a different session. So obviously New York, there's the AM session and then there's the PM session. So for example, if this AM session is not going to treat us very well, then we can come back for the PM session. But for me personally, I'm still going to play gold because I do think, even though we have dropped, I do see it higher. Why is this not working? I'm anticipating if the dollar has made the high of the hour just yet. If it hasn't, then it will keep pushing up higher. How are you guys getting on? Did anyone take the buys from here earlier? EU GU's reversing, okay. Dollar's really not messing around right now. Okay, Ritesh. See you later, bro. I'm totally locked in right now with gold, you know? Totally locked in right now. Dialed in. I don't think these buys are done. Oh, we created the high of the hour on the DXY.
You'll find gifts with the yes factor at Curry's. How about a Lenovo Tab Plus with a 2K screen and protection against blue light, as well as 8 JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos audio.
That's it.
With our
There you
price
go.
promise, if you find it cheaper, we'll match it.
Get out of here. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Now you want to blip. Okay, so we may have made the high of the hour on the DXY. Go on, gold. Okay, boys. Sticking through with this one. We stuck through with this one. I'm looking at a potential stack. Either here or down here. I prefer down here. I'm not too sure if we're going to get this over here. So now we need to see on the 1 minute time frame the dollar take out this low. If the dollar can take out this low, we should head down lower. Very choppy price action this PM.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
What, anyone caught any positions in this madness or no?
take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are into we are. We are.
This is a slow grinder, man. Okay, so what's going on right now? We're failing to take out this low. We failed to take out this low. We're now pushing up. Gift says in the chat, I chickened out, had a buy earlier in the morning London session, so protecting capital is for the best, man. Because this is pretty choppy right now. Guys, we're 2 likes away from the targeted likes for this live stream. If you haven't liked the live already, hit that like button. Okay, looks like we're about to break the high of the hour again. Dollar is bouncing back. Order flow at the moment for the DXY is quite bullish. It's actually quite bullish. That's interesting. Okay, it doesn't look like we will come for Tokyo's low at this very moment in time. Because the thing is, inside this area, we have these 2 down candles here. That's currently where price is holding. Alright. So let's see. This looks very progressive to the upside. That's really annoying, you know, gold. That's so annoying. Like, dollar's done a madness. You didn't rush. You just kind of chilled. Like, whatever. You know, I was really feeling good for this setup. Never seen gold behave like this, says Gift. To be honest, bro, like gold does do this sometimes, but I'm very surprised like how one-sided the dollar was. Just completely melting, slight pullback and then continue to drop, and gold is just not moving at all. Because now it's like even the re-entries that I have that I'm currently looking at the way gold is or the dollar is currently printing, it's not looking good. But what we can do is wait for the NYSE open and see what gold does then. We might need to look at the S&P or the wow, look at the S&P. This is that CPI news, just pure bulls. Check out the NAS. Wow, strong move to the upside on the NAS. Meanwhile, gold is still chilling. Do you know what I mean? Ridiculous. The charts are saying take everything you know about gold and throw it out the window. Today must have been a tricky day. Well, it is a tricky day, to be honest. It's a little tricky day. You know, entered here, nice profit, taken back out, entered, taken back out. You know, just too many break-evens for today right now. This is why we love gold. Keeps us on our toes. Trust me. Wow, gold is really being held today, man. Gold is, oh my goodness. Gold is absolutely terrible today, man. Terrible. Like, this is the candle I was expecting gold to print, right? Very minimal pullback to the downside, just pure, you know, upside move. But instead, the hourly candle we get for gold is this doji looking thing. 2704.37, 2704.36. We got these equal highs here for gold. To be honest, guys, I'm probably gonna stick with gold for the rest of the day. And look, guys, to be honest, here's the thing, right? Even though dollar is recovering, gold is barely doing anything. It's barely pushing up and it's barely coming down. Gift says, anyone see what happened with Mayweather in London? Yeah, I saw that, bro. That was crazy. I saw that. I mean, welcome to England, eh? Welcome to England. You know, in England, anyone can pull up on you, man.
Maybe it's the love, the drugs, the weed, the pussy. Maybe it's all the above. Maybe I don't need her. Maybe I'm just fucked up.
Well, do you have any more insights on the Mayweather situation, Gifts?
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away.
No, I just found it funny. Literally.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight.
Okay, we got 2 minutes till NYSE. If not, gold is gonna make me have to wait till maybe 5, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. tonight, see if it wants to do something. To be honest, guys, if we were trading like EU or GU, we would have probably had better chances on this occasion. But I'm still sticking with it. I'm still sticking with it. I don't think this is over. I don't think this is over. Look at the Nasdaq. Wow. What a push. What a push. Gold, why couldn't you just give us something like this, huh? I mean, to be honest, yesterday gold was giving us loads of little pullbacks and, you know, continuations, pullback, continuation. So, you know, we can't complain too much. As long as gold doesn't come down to here, we should be okay, but this re-entry looks like it's chalked. Cool. Coming back down to the 1 minute balance again. Today's not the day for gold, eh? So choppy. So choppy. Tapped out. Okay, let's update the Telegram. That's a heavy drop on gold. Okay, so the dollar has definitely done everything it needs to do in terms of the lows. Now, if we talk about what the targets were, we did not hit that Tokyo low for the dollar, which is fine. We did in fact still, you know, come down eventually anyways, but gold just it's just not being on our side today. So it is what it is. So in terms of what price is currently doing, you know, you might call me crazy, but I still think this is a buy, you know. Like my bias still stands. I still do think this is a buy. The structure that we're seeing, you know, the hourly picture, I don't see why gold should just start slamming down, right? Other than the dollar being strong. Do you know what I mean? Okay, so let's entertain the idea, okay, of going short. Okay, let's entertain the idea of going short. Right, let's see what pictures we can see. Right, we could take an entry here. It's the wrong one. We can take an entry here. and give it maybe a 40 pip SL. Target the lows. Alright, nothing. This is even like a forced entry. Like, I don't see gold just being a complete and utter sell. Will the CAD interest rate affect the dollar, then in turn affect gold? Usually no. They're not really colorated. Colorated? Is that the word? Or is my brain discombobulated? They're not colorated. I'm saying that wrong, aren't I? Colorated. Nah, I'm saying that right. Bro, what is going on, man? Gold has just scrambled my whole brain already, guys. Can I maybe give this like a 25 pip stop? I don't see this being a sell though. Maybe I'm wrong. Do you know what I mean? But I genuinely don't see this being a sell. Gold is golden today, boy. I genuinely don't see this being a sell though, that's my thing. I see gold being a sell. Like, even though, you know, could take a sell out of here, it's not like I'm confident with said sell. You know, right now we've played back into that 1 minute candle there. Guys, if you haven't dropped a like on the live already, drop a like on the live. We're 2 likes away from the like goal. Let's see if we can hit it. I don't see gold being a sell, yeah. Gold's back up. Dollar is also pushing back up. I might have to just leave gold today, boys and girls. I have to just leave gold today because gold's not really doing nothing. I might try one more buy. Yes, I know. I know. I might try one more buy. I might try one more buy. To give about 35, 30 pips. Might try one more buy. Dollar's up though. That is such a weird day for gold. Such a weird day for gold. It looks like everything else is flowing in a much more, you know, concise manner. Everything else, EU's flowing in a nice manner. Stock market's flowing in a nice manner. AED USD's has been one way so far. Euro AED one way. Even UJ's been one way. GU's been one way. It's insane.
I'm a rolling stone.
Because the only thing that I am seeing for gold, right? The only thing that we didn't have earlier, right, whilst we're pushing up here is now we've actually tested this 15-minute candle here. Okay, we have in fact tested this 15-minute candle here. So, you know, my whole understanding and analysis is that if we're going to be bullish, now that we've actually pulled down as low as we can go, then this is a decent area to go long. And if we get tapped out of it, then that just means we're completely wrong about the setup. Does that make sense?
I'm sorry in advance if I let you down. I'm sorry in advance if I let you down. Bitch, you just spilled Louis 13 on Mama Queen.
Damn. Well, I need to check if this music's even copyrighted before I get strikes. Music. I need a copyright free one. Let me look for a copyright free. Alright, New York Stock Open has come and passed. Nothing's really happening, boys. We're probably just gonna have to call it here and just say gold gave us TP1 and TP2. It didn't give us anything else. For myself personally, I had a bunch of stacked entries. They all came back to break even. So just have to leave it here. You know, I'm a little bit disappointed today, just due to the fact that the dollar did give us a very nice drop. You know, a really, really nice drop. But gold's just not playing games today. It's not playing ball. So we just have to take that one on the chin and keep it moving. But I am definitely gonna sit here and still watch gold, watch Euro USD, and see how we can take part in this trade, because I still do see this high. Like, I see gold at 27.10. You know, I don't see why gold should be dropping right now. You know, obviously gold is dropping right now because of the dollar pushing up, but in terms of the picture that I can see for gold, okay, maybe for Tokyo sessions low, but there's no reason for gold to push down this far down. Like, there really isn't. All that's left is the highs. You know, that's what I'm quite adamant about. So We will probably get to the highs of 27.10, maybe in a very like lackluster, choppy way, but that doesn't help us in terms of our entry at the moment. You know, we've tapped this 1 minute balance 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Very, very ugly price action. It's not good at all. Anyways, guys, amazing stuff today. I'm getting a phone call right on cue. I swear it's every live stream now. Bear with me, guys.
Switching to Vodafone full fibre broadband is as easy as that with one touch switch.
Okay, so we got one soldier left standing in the live stream. If I had to guess who it is, it's probably Gift. So I don't know if he's still here or not. But yeah, essentially gold is just not really doing nothing. I'm gonna call the stream here. Thank you guys for watching. I will update you inside the Telegram. Money Day.